And here we are, back at La Lingerie. One of my favourite restaurants in Malta. Also one of the best, in my opinion. Not in Michelin, but long may that last, because when you get in Michelin, the price automatically goes up, doesn't it? Alright, darling. It's just a bit of dust, that's all it is. That's all it means. I'm fun to assist you. You look wonderful tonight, though. Alright. Shall we go first?
See, it's good. It's good to watch. Then you go to come.
Hello, mate. You alright? Hello. Hello, mate. How are you?
Hi.
Oh, regular table. Oh, yes.
Oh, look, you've got the...
Hello. How are you, chef? Good to see you. Chef S?
Sous chef today.
Oh, sous chef. Fantastic.
Huh? Eleanor and Co.
Right, where shall I sit, darling? Where would you like me?
Wherever.
Okay.